Gorgeous eye makeup for your eye shape. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. If you are not, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to view my videos. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Watch this video to the end. There are a lot of tips and techniques to be learned. On today's video, we will be doing a gorgeous eye look, but I'm starting off by setting my entire face with a setting powder. And just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into the business of the day. After setting off my entire face with a setting powder, I decided to bake before proceeding to do my brows. I'll be using a mascara wand brush and a brow tamer to keep my brows in place, meaning I'm brushing the eyebrows, and then I'm using an angle brush and a brow gel pomade to draw my brows. I just outline the on. that part. And then I went into the same eyeshadow palette from the Mino Beauty collection. Applying eyeshadow like this on your eyes, especially if you have small eyes, is actually a game changer. Try this process on whenever you intend to go out, and trust me, you will be amazed the kind of compliments you will be receiving. And then I'm moving on to my blush. Like I said on today's video, everything I did is just powder. Moving on to my setting spray from the one and only Maro Pedesco spray. See how this just take off the powder effect. I had to zoom close for you to see. This is skin in skin, from my neck to my ear and my face, looking all the same. And then I'm going into this lip balm. I'm using a lip balm because my lips are usually dry this summertime season. So I'm just applying that lip balm, and then I will now go in with a lip gloss later on to make it long lasting for me. And my lip is already looking nice. Mwah. After applying setting spray, I usually use a beauty sponge to blend my entire face before proceeding to the next step, which is my glow. This glow is from Beauty by AD. I'll be using this beauty sponge, my beauty blender, to apply. On this day I actually did not want to even apply any glue. But I just changed my mind 10 minutes. I said, let me just add a little glow. Let's glow baby, but not much. I'm just applying a little amount. You can see the little quantity I took from the beginning, and that was all. Blend, and also on my nose. And then I used my finger to apply at the bridge of my nose. I like doing this with my finger at the bridge of my nose, and then I'll blend it all the way up a little. And guys, we are done. I went back into my setting spray to spray that all over again. I glow from inside. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. I'm using my lip gloss. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, be blessed. Happy New Year once again, and I will see you in my next video. Smile often. Bye guys.